The Allure of Scarlet Sage, My Adventures with Salvia Coccinea. For years, I've been captivated by the vibrant bursts of color that dot my grandmother's garden. Among them, the scarlet sage, Salvia coccinea, stands out with its fiery red blooms that seem to hum with life. This year, I decided to bring a piece of that magic to my own balcony. What started as a simple desire to cultivate beauty quickly blossomed into a full-fledged obsession with this fascinating plant. Now, I'm here to share my learnings and experiences with anyone who wants to welcome the dazzling Salvia coccinea into their lives. See more 1050 species in genus Salvia at monsteraholic.com. Salvia coccinea vs. Salvia gregii. I find Salvia coccinea's blooms more vibrant and attractive compared to Salvia gregii's subtler hues. Salvia splendens vs. Salvia coccinea. For me, Salvia splendens stands out with its bold, fiery red flowers, making Salvia coccinea seem a bit less striking in comparison. How to pronounce Salvia coccinea? Before we delve into the world of planting and care, let's address the elephant in the room, the pronunciation. Salvia coccinea might look intimidating at first glance, but fear not. Here's the breakdown. Salvia, Salvia, the emphasis is on the first syllable, with a long A sound. Coccinea, Coccinea, the emphasis shifts to the second syllable here. The co is pronounced like co and cot, and the ee is a long e sound. So, the next time you proudly introduce your scarlet sage, you can pronounce its name with confidence. How to grow Salvia coccinea from seed? There's something incredibly rewarding about nurturing a plant from a tiny seed to a thriving beauty. Here's how to embark on this journey with Salvia coccinea. Seeding time: start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Prepare the seed tray, fill a tray with a well-draining seed starting mix. Moisten the mix but avoid overwatering. Sow the seeds, gently press the tiny seeds onto the surface of the mix, barely covering them with a thin layer of soil. Light and warmth: place the tray in a warm location, around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, with good indirect sunlight. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to maintain moisture. Sprouting and growth: keep the soil moist but not soggy. Germination should occur within 10 to 14 days. Once seedlings emerge, remove the plastic wrap and provide them with plenty of light. Transplanting: once the seedlings have developed at least 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, harden them off for a week before transplanting them outdoors into their permanent location. How to plant Salvia coccinea? Whether you're starting with seedlings or transplants, Salvia coccinea thrives in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Here's what you need to know. Location: choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil preparation: amend the soil with some compost or organic matter to ensure good drainage. Spacing: plant your seedlings or transplants about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Watering: water regularly, especially during the first few weeks after planting. However, avoid overwatering as the plant can tolerate some drought conditions. When does Salvia coccinea flower? The fiery red blooms of Salvia coccinea are a sight to behold. Here's when you can expect this floral spectacle. Blooming time: in warmer climates where Salvia coccinea is perennial, it can bloom continuously throughout the growing season, from early summer to fall. Extended bloom: deadheading spent flowers encourages continuous blooming by promoting new flower formation. How to propagate Salvia coccinea? The beauty of Salvia coccinea is that it's easy to propagate, allowing you to expand your fiery floral display. Here are 2 methods. Seed propagation: as mentioned earlier, you can sow seeds indoors and transplant seedlings outdoors for a fresh batch of scarlet sage. Stem cuttings: take stem cuttings from a healthy plant during the spring or summer. Plant them in a pot with a well-draining mix and keep them moist. With proper care, they should develop roots within a few weeks. Is Salvia coccinea edible? While some Salvia species have culinary uses, Salvia coccinea is not considered edible. It's best to admire its beauty from afar and avoid ingesting any part of the plant. Will Salvia coccinea reseed in Zone 5? Salvia coccinea is a tender perennial that thrives in warmer climates. In colder zones like Zone 5, where winters are harsh, it typically behaves as an annual, meaning it won't survive the frost and will need to be replanted from seed each year. However, with its easy propagation methods, you can ensure a continuous supply of vibrant scarlet sage to brighten your garden throughout the summer. What to plant with Salvia coccinea? Salvia coccinea's fiery red blooms pair beautifully with a variety of plants, creating a stunning visual tapestry in your garden. Here are some ideas. Complementary colors: consider planting yellow or orange flowering companions like marigolds, coreopsis, or gaillardia for a vibrant contrast. Silvery foliage: plants with silver foliage like lavender or Artemisia ludoviciana, silver mound, create a calming contrast against the red blooms. Butterfly magnets: attract pollinators by planting butterfly-friendly companions like butterfly bush, Buddleia davidii, or cosmos. With a little planning, you can create a dazzling display that not only pleases the eye but also attracts beneficial insects to your garden. Final thoughts. My journey with Salvia coccinea has been an enriching experience. From the satisfaction of nurturing seedlings to the joy of witnessing their vibrant blooms unfold, this plant has added a touch of magic to my space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your plant parenthood journey, Salvia coccinea is a fantastic choice. With its easy care requirements, stunning appearance, and ability to attract pollinators, it's sure to become a cherished addition to your garden. So, why not give it a try and witness the allure of the scarlet sage for yourself?